In just a few hours, we could see a big step on the COVID-19 vaccine front. And that's because federal health officials could take their first real steps towards vaccinating that last age group that's still ineligible for the COVID shot. So we are, of course, talking about kids younger than 5. So the FDA's advisory panel is meeting this week. Today, you might recall this, it already voted to recommend Moderna's COVID vaccine for kids as young as 6 years old. But we know kids as young as 5 have already had access to Pfizer's shot. Tomorrow, though, the panel is going to look at both brands and whether they are suitable for those as young as 6 months old. So what does the data show right now? Well, FDA documents show that Pfizer's series for young kids is a 3-dose series. Each dosage is going to be reduced from what the older age groups get. Meantime, Moderna's series is going to still be 2 doses for young kids, also with a reduced dosage compared to older groups. The documents also show that there's effectiveness and there's safety for this final age group for both vaccines. Keep in mind this, even if the panel does sign off on both vaccine brands tomorrow, the FDA itself and then the CDC panel, and then the CDC director would have to still approve these vaccines. But based on the agency schedules that we've seen posted, if all goes promptly, we could actually see all that done by the end of the week. In fact, NCDHHS reporting tonight, if emergency authorization does happen this week, it is preparing to roll out these young pediatric shots as early as Monday.